Okay, so this is the ideal. It would be so nice if we could do this. But if we opened up Can I Use and we look at Flexbox, and let's jump to that page, you can see that support is at about 82%. Now this extra 10% here goes for an earlier version of the Flexbox specifications, but we're interested in the latest version. And if we want to use the latest version syntax, then we have support of 82%. So earlier in this series, when we've run across useful tags in CSS that aren't supported across all browsers, we've been able to use JavaScript polyfills, for example with the image source set and sizes attributes. But in the case of Flexbox, it's such a huge change in the default model that there isn't a complete polyfill yet, because it's just so hard to do. So in general, front-end developers aren't using Flexbox yet. Now there are situations where it might be more practical. For example, if you're building a website that you expect to be used almost exclusively on mobile devices. In that case, you're in luck, because you don't have to have desktop Internet Explorer support. But in general, front-end developers are still building desktop sites, or websites that at least need to function as a desktop site. So we're going to have to find another method.